In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your resume to LinkedIn. If you want to make job applications faster and keep your professional documents ready to go, uploading your resume to LinkedIn is a smart move. It only takes a few moments, and once it's added, it can be available when you apply for jobs through LinkedIn. Let's walk through the process together in a clear and simple way. First, go to your LinkedIn profile dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings without interruption. Starting from your main profile or homepage is helpful because all the options you need are easy to reach from there. Once you're on LinkedIn, click on the Me drop-down near the top of the page. This menu gives you access to your account-related options, including profile tools and settings. If you don't see it right away, look for your profile picture or the word Me in the top navigation bar. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps the controls for your account, personal preferences, and job application settings. It's an important section to know, especially if you plan to manage resumes or other application details later on. Next, look to the left-hand column and click on the Data Privacy tab. This section contains settings related to how your information is stored and used across the platform. Since resumes are part of your job application data, this is the correct place to continue. After that, click on Resumes and Job Applications Data. This will take you to the area where LinkedIn manages documents and information connected to job applications. If you've uploaded resumes before, you may also be able to view them here. Now click on Upload Resume. This option opens the file selector so you can choose the resume you want to add. Before you upload, it's a good idea to make sure your resume is updated and saved with a clear file name so it's easy to recognize. Finally, select the resume file from your device. Browse to the folder where it's saved, click on the file, and confirm the upload. Once that's done, your resume should be added to LinkedIn for future job applications. And that's it. You've successfully added your resume to LinkedIn. As a final tip, review the uploaded file afterward to make sure it's the correct version and reflects your most current experience. Keeping this updated can save you time whenever you're ready to apply for new opportunities.